Okay, let's make a start. It's IELTS speaking part 1 and I will ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer, okay? Just answer frankly in 5 to 6 sentences, that'll be good. Let's make a start. Do you like to collect things?
Um, yes, I like collect things. For example, I collect some papers around the walking streets, and some it is a very honorable, respected person's name in the written in the paper, and I usually collect the papers
Okay, I
on walking
usually
street.
collect such type of
Such type of
papers.
paper in the walking
Okay,
street.
very good. All right, let's go on. Why do some people collect things?
Some people collect things because our it's our
It's their hobby.
it's their hobbies, and it's like to collect the papers, and some collect the things for a walking street because street is clean and clear in the
Okay, no, we are
outsiders.
not talking about garbage. We're not talking about collecting garbage. We are talking about collecting as a hobby. So
Yes.
collecting stamps, collecting things as a hobby. Okay.
Yes.
All right, let's go on. Uh, do you like shopping?
Yeah, I like most. I like very much.
I like shopping very
I
much.
like shopping very much because I like different collections and different t-shirts, and I most very
Okay.
much.
Do you go for shopping alone or with your friends?
I mostly I go for friends.
I go for shopping with my
I
friends.
go shopping for with the friends.
I go for shopping
I go for shopping
with my
with
friends.
my friends because it is very enjoyable for me, and I have a lot of enjoy with us
I enjoy a lot with my friends while shopping. Okay,
while
so try
shopping.
to brush up your English grammar and
Yeah.
practice all these speaking topics. You'll be
Yeah.
fine. Now it's your turn. What kind of things are boring for you?
Uh, some things like the ads on the mobile uh, comes. I don't like them.
Okay, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani. My mother makes the biryani very delicious for me.
Okay, so this answer is short, at least 2 to 3 more sentences.
Okay, sir.
So you can say that's why biryani is my favorite food. Sometimes I eat it in the restaurant as well. So to answer your question, biryani, it's a chicken and rice dish. I like it very much.
Okay.
Now let's go on. Uh, do you prefer to eat at home or in the restaurant?
I mostly like to prefer eat in the home.
I mostly prefer to eat at home.
I
Okay.
mostly prefer to eat at home because it is all hygienic, and the food makes by the hand of my mother, and it is
It is
very
very delicious.
delicious.
So therefore, I prefer homemade food. Okay.
Okay.
Proper conclusion and 5 6 sentences.
Okay.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't like spicy food because there are too much spices in them, and it hurts the stomach.
Yeah, it disturbs the stomach,
It
or
disturbs
it affects. It affects the stomach.
and it causes a lot of diseases.
Okay. Therefore, I don't like spicy food. Proper conclusion. Got the point? So your answer should have 3 parts: direct answer, reasons for your answer, which I call elaboration, and then conclusion. Practice all these topics, you'll be fine, inshallah, right? Thank you.